Welcome back to part 8 of the Asia-Alaska adventure. The story picks back up in the center of the city, I guess city center of Nagoya, Japan, where today is September the 26th, or at least the 9th, September the 26th. Let's get back into this adventure and see what else we can find. Adventure if you can. Well, hello, it's time for a nice work break. So let's go look at a castle. So I guess I should tell you guys where we are if that thing wasn't enough. This is the Nagoya, if I pronounced that terribly, castle. It was only 500 yen to get in here, and it's open from 9 a.m. to 4:30 p.m. So go see if we can go inside. So I just read the castle's closed. Can't go inside that. So at least we got to see it though. Pretty cool. All right, let's see what else is around here. So that was inside that really cool house. Really, really cool doors and walls, like very, very detailed. Okay, let's go see what's next now. This is still inside the castle, by the way. Or the castle grounds, as it would be. Well, that was pretty cool. I didn't know I was doing that today, which I think is good. I think you should take every day with where the universe wants to take you. Because if you let that happen, in my opinion, good things happen and you find cool stuff. So let's go find more cool stuff today. I think that cool clock building over there is City Hall. I wonder if someone's going to go back to the future and stop the clock. I couldn't help myself. Let's see what's next. So yeah, we came back to the tower because I really wanted some reflection shots in the daylight. So there you go. It's time for some food. So now that some more delicious food was had, it's time to walk back to the hotel. All right, now that that fun afternoon of exploring is complete, it's time to do a little more work. Let's do that. Well, now that lots of work has been done and the sun came back up, let's go find some adventure. Check out this thing. It's like a little working cube thing. Mini office. And it looks like it's 2 something for a couple hours. Yeah. In the category of learning my lesson, it's the one that has the city names on it. You can't lose. Didn't lose my ticket this time. So after that pretty good journey, like an hour and a half, almost to the place that I'm taking us today. So let's go find out. All right, so it's another one of those temples that take cash only. So that's the Golden Temple. Let's go see what else is in this thing. Okay, that's it for the Golden Palace area. Let's go try to find some lunch in Kyoto.
Know your name yet?
It's Paul.
Oh, Charles.
Charles, nice to meet you. So this is Charles. I met them just walking down the street, and you just talk to people because that's what you do. And they have the most amazing story. They've been to a lot of places. They're happily retired. But he was just telling me about how you get around and how you just kind of find things. He told me quite a few apps. He was telling me about Go to get taxis here in Japan, and
Wanderlog.
Wanderlog. So basically I just wanted to take a minute and ask you, what drives your passion to see all this stuff?
Discovery, new places, cultures, the people. Everywhere we've gone, the people have been amazing.
They have been amazing, absolutely. What was your strangest travel experience so far in the last year?
Uganda.
Uganda?
Yeah.
Okay.
Very, very different. Feels very remote. But also like some of the most incredible adventures. Being in the mountains, seeing mountain gorillas.
Oh, that sounds cool.
Almost as close as you and me.
And scary? Who says that'd be kind of scary?
Exhilarating.
Right? Exhilarating. Oh,
Yeah.
that's a better word for it. Well, anyway, I just wanted to introduce them. I met them and they were showing me some great stuff. So thanks, Charles.
Thanks, Paul. Good to meet you.
You too. That's exactly why you stop and you talk to people. You just find out information. You meet the nicest people. They have a really interesting travel story for sure. All right, let's go see what's next with some of the ideas they gave me. Check this thing out. It tells which bus is coming. Where. experience. So you go and you order from a kiosk. Thankfully, you can choose English to make it easier for me. And then they take you to a booth, and then they bring you your food. You go to this little tiny booth, and then you can order more noodles if you want. And it was really good. So, this place in Kyoto. Let's go find dessert. So one thing that I've noticed about Japan, other than there being stores over there's like shopping areas everywhere. Basically, I just went through like one and another and another. That crepe was really good. All right, let's play in Kyoto just a little bit more and see what else we can find. Shopping. A lot like that place I walked through with all the food. That was pretty cool. It's hard to eat though. So, pretty tired. Let's get back to the hotel. You know, with a little bit of practice, you kind of get used to everything, right? So, since I've done that a couple times now, it's pretty easy. And also, lots of walking practice. All right, let's keep going. That was a really full day, and right when I got back and took off my backpack, I broke the necklace again. So tomorrow's fun. We'll be fixing the necklace, and this time I'll actually show you. I'm going to bed. Good night. So it's laundry time again, and I just found this laundromat where the soap is included. How cool is that? All right, let's do some laundry, and then while that's going on, let's go try to find something for the necklace. Alright, as amazing as that is, it's going to wash and dry in 50 minutes. Let's go look for supplies. Well, that was a really cool find, seriously, just on the side of the street between high-rises. I've been finding a lot of cool stuff like that all over Japan. And also, I just want to point out how cool it is that the society is so trusting. They just have shrines, stuff like that. Just totally small stuff, and nobody takes it because nobody wants to, I guess. So, very cool thing. All right, let's go see if that laundry is done, because finding the necklace is not happening so easily just yet. All right, so that was a little more expensive than the last place, but man, the dryer works so much better. All right, let's go jump these clothes off and finally go find those necklace supplies. Sadly, no network cable, necklace cable was found. Guess the search will continue. But that will be for another episode. So this will be the end, part 8 of the Asia Alaska adventure. I'll see you guys in the next part.